Okay, hi my beautiful people. How are we doing today? Hi my fellow traders. What's up? What's up? What's up? Let's see. Today is a Thursday, so let us see how it's all going to play out. You're most welcome. It's good to have you. Good to have you join in. So let us not waste time, guys. Gold OTC. That is the market chart that I'm looking at right about now. So let us dive into it. Okay. All right. That is some take. Hi, how are you? How are you? Greetings from your girl Lena over here. Pratik, how are you, my dear? How are you doing? Hope you're doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Let us get to the market and we see how to go about it. All right. So today we shall be talking about something small. So get ready, prepare yourselves, keep coming through. Let me know, let me see how everything is going to turn out for us with our learning, observing and watching the market together. Let's see, trading is really interesting. It's really interesting for as long as you have mastered the skill and you know exactly what to do. So let us keep it going. Okay, Rogers. Hi, Rogers. How you doing? Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. That is a Pratik. I think maybe you mean the other day, because yesterday I actually missed you guys. Yesterday I did not appear. I missed you so much. But today I'm here. So let us have a good time. Definitely vibing together and trading together. It's never money. Wordings, forget about price. But for us in the market, surely it's all about the money. Surely it's all about the money. We are here to milk the market. So it's about the money. Let us go, guys. Let us go. Okay, good to have you guys. You're almost welcome. Let me know where you're watching from. Hi, Marady. How you doing, my darling? How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. It's your girl, Lena, in the building. Let's go. Money. Marady, is it true that in our trading, it's not all about the money? Definitely it's about the money. We learn to make sure that at least we take those profits from the market. So to us as traders, it's definitely all about being financially free. Anyone who can tell me otherwise, please, I'm all ears open. Okay, Ruth is in the building. Hi, my darling Ruth. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are amazing. Good to have you. Ooh. Today is going to be a beautiful day. It's going to be a beautiful day. Oh my goodness, video track. Hey, hi. How are you doing, my video track? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Today I'm also full of positivity and definitely, I pray that also in the market we definitely catch some amazing fish out of it. Okay, let's go. Bye, bye. Let's go right about now. As we can see, we are in a bearish direction. Forget about the price tag. When we are in a trending market, definitely what we are looking out for, there is market structure over there and the candlestick pattern. So whether we are in an uptrend or in a downtrend, we expect market structure to be taking place. We do not have a market where things as candles are just moving up and down, up and down, up and down. No, we have a market where we have market structure where at least we know that, okay, what is going on over here, definitely market structure, the buyers are in the market, the sellers are in the market, so who is more in the market? That is what we look out for most of the times. Candlestick patterns, very, very important, very, very important. So you as a trader, you need to know, when I look on my chart, what do I see? Okay, if we are looking at candlestick patterns, what is going on? Okay, so when we are having, let me give an example, an engulfing candle, definitely one thing you have to believe for or to be thinking about in that particular moment, either we are going to be in a continuation, we could be in an uptrend and then we get an engulfing candle. You find that we are going to break structure below and we are going to have a reversal. So we either have a reversal or a continuation. When we have the doji candle, in most cases we are looking at, we are going to have a reversal. Then when we are looking at the Marubuzu candles, we definitely know that there we are looking at momentum. We are looking at that strength in that particular trend that we are in. All right, so make sure that at least you understand the candlestick patterns, you understand what they are up to, uh, what should you expect. Okay, so make sure that at least you focus so much on that direction. What direction are you in? Are you in consolidation? Are you in an uptrend? Are you in a downtrend? Okay, then we look at the market structure. There we focus so much on those strong points that push the previous, either the previous high in an uptrend or the previous low in a downtrend to break structure. After break of structure, we definitely have a pullback over there. That simply means you have to know how to trade at a pullback. All right, if you are not yet there, please make sure that you trade with a trend. Okay, so just wait for the pullback to end, identify what direction we are in. Are we continuing in an uptrend? Are we trading? Are we continuing with a trend? Or the pullback is actually breaking below the previous, that I'm talking about the uptrend. Okay, is it breaking below the previous higher low? If it breaks below, then that simply means that definitely we are having a reversal. We are moving in a different direction. So having those interesting things that we look out for in the market, it makes trading interesting. It makes trading easier. So what does that mean? It means that let us involve ourselves so much. Even if you're not going to trade, come through, look at your charts, know what they are saying. They always communicate. I think I've been so much looking at my charts that I feel like whenever I look at them, they are communicating. But that's it. They are communicating, they are telling you something, they are telling you, hey, what's up, this is what is happening, this is what is going on. So yesterday I did not come through, but the other time, I do not remember. My brother, there is a brother of ours who wanted to talk about consolidation. I think it was Joshua. I don't remember so well, but I'm thinking it must have been Joshua. He wanted me to talk about consolidation, take him through. What do we look out for? What do we consider? Okay, consolidation is there. We have talked about an uptrend. We have talked about a downtrend. We have talked about structure in an uptrend and in a downtrend. What happens in consolidation? All right. So that is something that I want to talk about. Okay. All right. Like we used to do. Like we used to do. Okay, Eric is asking me, are you live on both channels? Yes, yes, I am. Hi Eric, how you doing? Hope you're good. Video track. Hi my brother, how you doing? Hi Raj, how are you? Hope you're doing okay. Thank you for coming through. Good to have you. Good to have you. Whenever someone starts talking about trading, it becomes so easy if you are hearing the same language every day, trading language. Things become easier, things become better. So one thing I'm going to request you guys is to become consistent in your trading. All right, make sure that at least, even if you're not to trade, like I've been saying, the market communicates something. And remember one thing, do not forget that maybe however naive you are in the market, it does not justify the fact that the market is going to be kind on you or it's going to be patient with you until you learn. It's you to make sure that you enter into the market when you are well equipped, okay? We are here to take out of the market, not the market to take us out. All right. So make sure that you learn. So that's why we are here to learn together, to get some new tips here and there. We keep equipping ourselves such that when the time comes and we have to get into the market, you are well equipped. Okay. Hi Prince, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you over here. It's your girl Lena, Teacher Lee. Hi Teacher Lee, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Prince is asking, tell me the broker name and chart time frame. The broker name, that is a pocket option broker, right? And the link is as well in my description over there. Thank you, video track. Thank you, Prince. Thank you, Prince. I appreciate you so much. Teacher Lee, I see you over there. Thank you for coming through. Okay, Lena, can you explain the candle pattern when you take the trade? Okay, so one thing I can tell you is that when before I place in an entry, there are certain things that I look out for. All right, if you are talking about the candlestick patterns earlier, I talked about, if you spot An engulfing candle. We all know that an engulfing candle represents that we are going to take direction in that particular trend. Let me give an example. If we were in an uptrend, and definitely maybe we spotted an engulfing candle, right? And that engulfing candle is a green one, but the previous one is a red one, and it is being engulfed by the green candle. That simply means that we are going to proceed, or we are going to continue with a trend that we are in. So definitely, there you know exactly what to do. Of course, you look out with what the structure is also giving, and are we really in an uptrend? All right, like I'm just giving an example. We're really in an uptrend, so please strike and place in your buy trades. Then if we are having an engulfing candle that is red, right, and we are engulfing a green candle, of course, given all the other conditions in place, we just know that we are going to have a reversal. So we are going to move in the opposite direction. So these are some of the things that you look out for when we look at the that is the Marubuzu candle. We definitely have to know that when that appears in the market, we are looking at that strength in that particular trend that are in, or we are looking at that is very, very good momentum for us. That in this particular trend that we are taking, we are safe, and definitely you trade accordingly. Then when we see a doji candle, that one definitely excuse me, that one definitely you are going to know we are going to have a reversal anytime from there. And then the other thing that we have to know so much or consider so much is the fact that do not trade before that particular candle that you spotted closes. Please, if all the conditions are in place, okay? If all the conditions are in place and you have spotted that candle, let it close and then you place in your trade accordingly. Do not trade before it closes, all right? Okay, so I believe probably maybe Joshua is in the building. I want to take us through consolidation. Just let's talk about something small. Something small. Let's see. Okay, hi Charlie, how you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. A perfect deep sleep, Polly. Hi, my darling. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. It's your girl Leonard today, and I'm doing amazing. I'm doing great. I'm doing beautiful. Definitely, when I'm with you guys, all is fine. All is fine. So let me take you through, give you something small. Oh dear. Yesterday, I I just gave myself some break. I was attending to something, right? So my apologies that I did not appear yesterday, but today here I am. So let us double yesterday and today, okay? All right, so let me get into the consolidation. Okay, so whenever we talk about consolidation, what comes in our minds? Okay, consolidation basically is a period when price moves sideways within a range instead of trading. So it moves sideways in a range. By a range, we know that we are having something we have above and below, like that, in that particular way of moving. So in that way, it is not trading. trending. We are not having an uptrend or a downtrend. We are just having the market ranging. It is moving sideways, hence consolidation. All right. So there we know that okay, the market. So the market pauses before taking or making its next significant move. It is in that particular direction, in that particular state, before it actually gets to its next significant move where we know that, okay, right now the buyers are taking over the market or the sellers are taking over the market. That is where the candlestick patterns comes in so much. You have to look and understand what the candles are up to such that you know if we are having these particular candles being formed at at almost or at the end of our consolidation, what is going to happen next? Are we moving in an uptrend? Are we moving in a downtrend? But like I said, master it so much that before you place in a trade, wait for that particular candle that you're interested in to close. Okay? All right. So how do we know that we are in consolidation? Definitely, like I said, the price it repeatedly keeps bouncing within that ranging state that I told you about. So then small candles with overlapping bodies, no clear sequence of higher highs and higher lows, or lower lows and lower highs. All right, we do not have that clear sequence as we have been seeing it happen so much in our consolidation. Okay, so when we talk about consolidation, what do we focus on? We focus on the candlestick behavior. How are the candles behaving? All right. Then we also look at market structure. That is when we are having those formations of those slight formations of higher highs and higher lows. Then we also focus so much on the candle closes. If that particular candle that we are interested in, make sure that you wait for it to first close before you take any step. Okay. All right. So if we are in consolidation, all right. Let me give an example. If we are to take a bullish direction, what are we going to look out for? For me to buy in consolidation or for me to sell in consolidation, what am I going to look out for? This is what you will always look out for. You look out for those bullish pin bar, okay? The bullish pin bar. But then you look at the engulfing candles, then you look out for those strong bullish marabuzo candles. All right. You remember that I have been talking about about those different candles. So please, you look out for those engulfing candles. Of course, when we talk about the bullish engulfing candles, it has to be a green one. All right. Then the strong bullish Marubozu candle, we know that. Okay. Okay, then enter a buy after the candle closes. Remember that. Do not forget that. Always enter after the candle has closed. So when we are talking about the bullish pin bar candles, now definitely we are going to look at the bearish pin bar candle, the bearish engulfing candle, and the bearish Marubozu candle as well for the bearish direction. All right. Okay, so those are some of the few that you look out for, but very important. And whatever you choose or decide to come to a conclusion with, make sure that you wait for the candle to close. Please, all right? Wait for the candle to close. Do not see it still running, then you rush into and confirm or come to a conclusion that, of course, I'm seeing this particular candle, it is going to do this and that. The candles will shock you indifferently in ways that you do not understand. All right, so please wait for the candle close. Then at the formation of the next candle, after you have confirmed everything, place in your trade, either the buy trade or the sell trade. Okay, let me hope we are getting it and we are being clear with each other. Okay, so when we talk about the candle close. Okay, so a candle close that closes strongly near its high shows buyers are in control. All right, when it closes, strongly near its high, that simply shows that the buyers are in control. But like I told you, it does not mean that the sellers are completely driven out or they are not in the market. Okay, it simply means that the buyers are in control of the market, and the opposite is also true. The sellers are in control of the market. So making it simpler, or to summarize it all up, one, consolidation, we are finding that ranging state, okay? Then the other thing we look out for is we wait for the rejection candles. The rejection candles, definitely you are going to look out for those pin bar candles, the engulfing candles, the marabuzo candles. You look out for all those. Avoid to trade in the middle of a range. Wait for it to bounce up and to bounce back down. All right. So I do not know if I've given you something that at least you can hold on to, but shortly, that's what I can say about consolidation. Be keen and be careful when trading in consolidation. Make sure that you master the art of those candlestick patterns. Make sure that you know exactly what you're doing before you place in a trade. In trading, there is no guesswork, whatsoever, no guesswork at all right? So please make sure that you understand, know about the candlestick patterns. When we talk about market structure, what are we looking at? What are we considering? When you talk about market structure in an uptrend, you know very well that the low doesn't change, but the high always changes, because we have to break structure and we have to keep continuing in an uptrend. Then when we come to a downtrend, the lower high does not change most of the time, but the lower low definitely changes, because remember, we break structure, we get pullbacks over there, and then we continue in that particular direction or that particular trend. So these are some of the things that you have to hold on to, know them, know something small, all right? On my end, I always look out for market direction, market structure, candlestick patterns. Of course, that is backed up by my indicator that I use. Just those four small things that I put into consideration that I look out for. Give it a try for some good time, of course, not just 1 week, 1 month, and then you give up on it. All right, so please be consistent about it. Have something small. You do not have to have a lot of confluences or a lot of connections that you look out for before you place in your trades. Have something small. Let it help you, get where you want to get in being a profitable trader. All right, so that is what I can say about consolidation. Okay, let's proceed with our market over here. This is our time, guys. It's always our time to shine whenever you see Lena over here. So, trading first priority. We vibe. Definitely, we get. We get our tips that we need to get. We improve our trading, guys. I told you by the end of this year we should all be profitable traders and we are not leaving anyone behind. So if you are not understanding something, please come through. Let us talk about it. Let us see how to improve it. All right. A prosperous Jerry, how you doing? Hope you're good. Those are my very, very first people that came through when I was just starting with my live stream sessions. Thank you for always coming through. Video track, thank you so much for the very good work you're doing. Okay, dragon, that is dragonistic. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you around. That is Makwab. Hi, how are you? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Jerome is in the building. Hi, Jerome. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Video track, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Pfizer over there, good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. You're welcome, Eric. You're welcome, my dear. Let us proceed. Okay. So, Joshua, I did not know if you have already checked in, if you are already here, but about consolidation, I'm very sure you will go back and watch the video such that at least you get something out of it, okay? It's a good thing to ask and it's a good thing to learn something out of it. So let me hope, guys, we have learned something about consolidation today. Okay, and definitely we all know that I'm trading binary options on Pocket Option Broker, all right? As we see, gold OTC chart is the one that I'm on today. I'm using price action as my strategy, guys. Hi, Tony. Hi, Tony. Tony is saying I'm Washington from Kenya. Hello. Hi, Tony. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. How is your day today? How is everything going? Let me hope it's all well. Let me hope it's all moving on beautifully. Are you guys looking at your chats? Are you guys trading? What's up? What's up? Fill me in. Fill me in. What's going on over that side? Hi, Isaiah. How are you? Hope you are doing okay. Thank you, Jen. Thank you, Jen. Thank you for coming through. Good to have you join in. Oops, JB, Abu Dhabi, hi, how are you doing? Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. Thank you for joining in. Thank you for joining in. That is JB from Abu Dhabi. Beautiful. Okay, teacher Lee. Okay, you're welcome, my darling. You're welcome. Good to see you around. Thank you for sticking around. We keep going slowly by slowly. We talk about something small, but definitely make sure that at least you pick something from it, you learn something from it, you improve your trading. All right. Yes, my dear, that is Watson Jacob. Hi, Watson Jacob. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you join in. Yes, my dear. Yesterday I did not come through. My most sincere apologies. I miss you guys so much. But here I am today. So anything that you had for me for yesterday, please let us take this time and address it. All right. Yoga Lena is all in for you guys. Excuse me. Everyone else but you. You guys light my light up. You light me up, so please always keep coming through. Keep coming through. Let us keep trading together, learning together, becoming amazing and profitable traders together. All right. You don't know. Macro, Fazad, hi, how you doing? Good to have you, good to have you. Thank you for joining in. Okay. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Beautiful, beautiful. Gets me overwhelmed. You don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. You don't know you're beautiful. You don't know. I want you so desperately. You're not beautiful.
Okay, Coconut Man, Moonhead, and P. You ready? Seems like everybody's got a price. I wonder how they stay back night. When the sale comes first and the truth comes second, just stop for a minute and smile. Why is everybody so serious? Acting so damn mysterious. Got shades on your eyes and your heels so high that you can't even have a good time. Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we're paying with love tonight. It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Ain't about the cha-ching, cha-ching. Ain't about the bubbling, bubbling. Wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. We need to take it back in time. When music made us all unite. And it wasn't low bells.
Okay, I'm seeing, let me see, video track. Yes, yes. I'm seeing Charles. Hi, Charles. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you join in. How can I trade? How can a trader manage risk with a $20 capital? Okay, so definitely if we are having $20 as our starting capital, I always, when I just started trading and I had gotten to know about risk management, I learned about the 1% to 5% rule you get. So that's where, according to what you have in your account, please let the percentage be low, more so if you are just beginning. Okay, look at 1%, 2%, 3%, around there, 1 to 5%. But if we say that we are going to put in 10% for the start and you have $20, to me that would be high. Okay, so if we are looking at 1%, 2%, if we are looking, we are having an account of $20 and we are looking at us having a 2% risk, that is 0.40%, around there. Or if a 5% risk, we are looking at $1. Okay, it looks ridiculously small, but just be on the safe side, because when you keep making losses in your 20% that you have on your account, you keep making those losses, you are definitely going to be wiped out. Your account is going to be wiped out. So it is a small amount of money, but for someone who is starting, someone who is beginning, you can play around with it. Use and focus on the 1% to 5% rule. That is, by the way, most of the times that used to be the highest amount I would go for. That used to be like the percentage I would go for, 5%. Then at times I put I put a 10%, but I'm putting it with one leg there, something like that, you get. So depending the fact that you are having $20, you have to play with it accordingly. Okay. 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 Okay, video track is actually saying use 10%. Let us pull it a little lower, a little lower. I love using that rule. Okay, that was the rule that I used to use, the 1% to 5%, such that I see that my 20% somewhere, somehow in the middle, it gives me some profits. Okay, because you and me, we both know that the losses will definitely be there. We cannot skip them. Okay, a perfect deep sleep Polly response. Thank you, my dear. I know. The account will get blown out in no time. Okay, so Simon, hi Simon, how you doing? Hope you're doing great. Good to have you join in. How is your day going? Thank you for joining in. Perfect Deep Sleep Polly. Thank you, my dear. Thank you so much. Mm-hmm. Okay, that is something good, guys. Perfect deep sleep poly is actually giving in something. Let me hope you guys have seen that. Okay. Okay, Charles, yes, hope you have gotten our opinion in regards to our trading experience, like what we have experienced, what we have seen. That is what we can say. Hi, Stefan. Hola, hola, hola. What's up? What's up? How are you doing? Hope you are doing all right. Stefan is here. Video Truck is in the building. Morady is in the building. Okay, Stefan and Video Truck. I know those ones understand their language over there. So, guys, at times I actually ask you to know where you are watching from, such that we connect. That every time I come through, at least I know I have people from Kenya watching, have people from Tanzania, people from South Africa, people from Malaysia, people from Madagascar, people from Nigeria, people from that, at least I know that, okay, I'm talking to this person is all the way from Pakistan, this person is all the way from Jamaica, like at least I get to address you. Don't you think it feels nice? It feels so beautiful to me if someone knows where I'm coming from and they are like, hey, Lena, how are you doing? How are your people over there doing? People of Canada, people of Nigeria, people of Tanzania, people like it makes me feel good. It makes me feel like, okay, this person is actually recognizing me. That's what I feel. I think maybe I love so much being seen. I don't know. I don't know. But that is my thinking. Okay. So I'm seeing people are still talking to themselves. Of course, we are looking about what we can do in the market. Take calculated risks. Hi, my darling. How you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. And I love seeing you come through. I love seeing you around. Thank you for joining in. All right. So with that, with a 20%, with the 20% dollars, we at least know how to go about it. Okay. All right. Hi, Florence. Hi, Florence. How are you doing? I've missed you. I've missed you. How are you doing? Hope you're doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you join in. Good to have you join in. Maxwell. Hi, Maxwell. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. All the way from Nigeria. Hi, how are you? How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. You see how we say that people from India, we say namaste. I learned something. I learned something. So when we are talking to the Nigerians, Maxwell, are you there? When we are talking to the Nigerians and we are asking them, how are you? We tell them how far. It made me feel so like it's something interesting actually. It's something interesting. So I loved it. Okay, so that's why I actually need to know where you guys are joining in from, how you're doing, how everything is going. So it makes us feel good. All right. Okay. Okay, so guys, about the donations, please, if you sent in your donation, please confirm with me. Please confirm. Please confirm with me. I am looking at a number of donations over here, but no names. If you sent in a donation, guys, please, it's a humble request. Come through, talk to me, let me know, give me the details that I need to know, such that at least we include you on the list, right?
24 hours, 94 hours with you. Spend the weekend and evening home. Spend the late nights making things between us.
Okay.
Now it's all good, babe. But I got baby.
All right, that is amazing video track. He said in Tanzania, you can say habari, means how are you doing? Okay, that's easy. That's easy actually. Habari. That is for a video track, and Stefan over there. Then also for let me see.
Now it's all good, babe. But I got good, babe. Baby, no. This feels like you go down.
Okay, guys, once again, if you sent in your donation, please check in on me. Send me a message on Telegram, or you can as well. Chat with me over here. Tell me that you sent in the donation, and definitely give me the details, because I'm having a number of donations that have no names on them, right? Okay, so for that we are taking it for 3,000. Okay, that is Evan. Hi Evan, how you doing? All the way from Sri Lanka. Okay, says Vanakam. Okay. You guys, by the time we finish here, I'm going to be flying. Okay, that is amazing. Vanakam. Okay. Beautiful. Thank you guys for taking your time to at least let me know what's up. Let us proceed. Okay. Okay. So as we can see over there, we are still in a downtrend. Beautiful. So if you are in that particular trend and you are trading with a trend, you are not trading in a pullback, please wait for it to be at that point and place in your trade, right? Yeah. Hi Kevin, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Hi Charlie, how you doing? How are you doing? Hope you okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you join in. Well said, but let's see. Now we alright. Eh, 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 eh. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Mhm. Okay, so guys, we are already into it with our donations. Let's see. Remember, we need 3,000 in a good life. No, we passed, now we alright. For anyone who has any questions about the donations link is in my description, right? And the minimum for the donations is 350 US dollars. It's only getting greater. Higher than the skies can. The proof is in the paper. And a good life. That's now we alright. Eh, 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 eh. Look at us right now. Okay. Okay, I'm saying hi Kashan, how you doing? Hope you're good. That's now we alright. Hi Kaman. Hi Kaman, how you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are good.
Get up, you good for nothing lazy.
You know, Florence, let me tell you, let us keep it that way. Let us see how it's all going to go. Abdul, hi Abdul, how are you doing? Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing amazing. A prince, that is a prince over there. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. It's your first time. Good to have you. Good to have you here. Good to have you. This is Yoga Lena, and I am trading binary options on Pocket Option Broker. Right now, the chart that I'm having is gold OTC chart. And right now, I am into with the donations. This is where people send me money to trade for them. It's something that you do willingly, voluntarily. Who's gonna know your name? Who's gonna know your name? Here with a smile. Ooh, ladies are lost over there. Okay, so Prince, explaining more about the donations or exactly what is going on here. So if it's about the donations, I'm going to kindly request you to go to my in my description. The donations link is over there. All right. And the terms and conditions are also provided, so you have nothing to worry about. It's all about you. If you choose to, you go ahead with that. If not, all right. So it is a personal choice that you make. But then one thing I always keep talking about is risk management. Make sure that you as a trader or you as someone, even if it is not sending in the donation, but if even if you are trading on your own, make sure that risk management is your friend, right? Make sure that risk management is your friend and you know exactly how to go about it. Okay, so Oslave, congratulations, congratulations. Our first attempt we closed in a loss, but we gave it the second attempt and we have closed in a plus. So that's what I'm telling you. If you need to know about the donations, please check in my description and you will have all the details, how it's done, what I expect from you, what you expect from me, all that is given up there.
Saturday morning, jumped out of bed.
Okay.
Another banger. Baby, calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, put in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet like phantom, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, you know they for me young girl, oh young girl. No tell me no, 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 no. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, come give me a lo, 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 lo. Oh, 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 oh. You got me like whoa, 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 whoa. Shawty, come give me a lo, 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 lo. Oh, 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 oh. I see this fine girl for my party, she wear yellow. Every other girl they do too much, but this girl mellow. Now in my divine situation, I go use they tell I'm mellow. Finally, I find way to talk to the girl, but she ain't no one follow. Who you gonna phone for one? When you know I phone for one, then I start to feel like bum bum one. She dey give me small small one. I know, say she's a people sit down one.
Kashan, please concentrate so much on the tips that you need to get from trading, all right? The experiences that we are sharing over here. Okay. Okay, guys, we are moving. Okay, hi, Godfrey. How are you doing? Hope you are doing okay. Thank you for coming through. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building.
Don't you ask, you know you're allowed, allowed. When it's you, I can't say no.
Okay, we are taking it for 4 items. Guys, once again, if you sent in your donation, please check in on me. Check in on me. I have a number of donations that have no names attached to them. Okay, so I need to locate the owners. Let's go positivity all the way. Let us keep it going. We keep it shining, and definitely we keep winning. Yo, you sweet life, phantom, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, you know they for me young girl, oh young girl. Not tell me no, 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 no. Okay, that is our second attempt. We have 2 more to go. Ooh. Oh dear, oh dear. I've definitely been kicked out. I've been kicked out.
Millions in California are dealing with the dangers of extreme heat and rapidly spreading wildfires. 103.
Okay, so there we are having 500 US dollars, 2 attempts. Let's see.
Yo, little Dicky.
Suck your butt? How about you take that perfectly round head and suck my butt? How about that? You got the trash?
Okay, so just 1 more to go for Brett. G Benga, hi, how are you? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you join in.
What up, world? It's your boy, just one of the guys down here. Well, I could be more specific. I'm a human. And I just wanted to, for the sake of all of us earthlings out there, just wanted to say,
Okay, beautiful. It is a planet we love the earth. It is a Actually, somewhere, somehow, I like this song. I feel like it brings out the childish in me. I don't know, but I just feel that way. Okay. I'm a zebra.
No one knows what I do, but I look pretty cool. Am I white or black?
I'm a lion cow.
And I'm always getting licked.
how's it going, I'm a cow? You drink milk from a I'm a fat pig.
I'm a common fungus.
I'm a disgruntled skunk, shoot you out my butt. Claim I can get you out. And I'm Kanye West. We love the earth. It is a planet.
Outros. Hi, Outros. How you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for joining in. Please, guys, hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. Thank you so much. Good to have you in the building. Our trust, definitely, we all want to win. We all need to win, all right? But what do we have to do? What do we have to do? What we have to do is make sure that we master the skill. We get knowledge about exactly what we are doing as traders, not to just guess, enter into the market. All right. So those are some of the few things: the discipline, the patience. All right. So make sure that at least you get the skill, because however much people say that trading binary options is very easy, but trading it without a skill, definitely you become a gambler, you become someone who is just guessing. Trade guessing can kill you. All right, so have the skill, have that knowledge, know about the candles, candlestick patterns, very very important. What exactly is going on in the market, know about what is happening, what are you doing, you as a person, you as a trader. All right. Yes, those are some of the things that you can hold on to day by day, every day, unless otherwise. I've said that like as if I'm talking about a pullback. I always say whenever we are having a pullback, definitely we are going to continue in that exact trend, unless otherwise. Okay, Anna Mbatha, hi, my dear one. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Today I was watching a movie and I saw the name Mbatha. Uh, okay. Anyways, good to have you, good to have you, good to have you. How are you doing? How is your day going? Good to have you, Anna Mbatha. Where are you joining in from? I would love to know where you are watching from. Forever. Don't make me stay. So with Adam, that is 2 attempts so far. Sing it to me, baby, that melody. Is it possible to follow your signal and stick some and same time? And how can that be achievable? How can it be achieved? Unfortunately, we experience a YouTube time lag. So you find that you trading with me at the same time will be impossible. You will find that you are a few seconds above me. All right, so what I actually encourage people to do is that during my sessions, do your very best to at least acquire some get some tips out of that particular session. Like today, get some tips, then get that experience. Like we come here, we share our different experiences, what I've gone through as a trader. Most of the things that I tell you about are things that I have actually experienced as a trader. All right. So we talk about each and everything, the setup and all that, the skill. We talk about a lot of things in our trading, so it makes life a bit easier. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. That is for Adam. Sorry about that. Void, that is 4,000, 3 atoms. Sorry, 400, 3 atoms. Yes, Anna, I did. So I was actually watching a movie on Netflix, and I saw the name Mbasa. I'm very sure about it because actually when I saw it, I was like, I have someone who comes in for my streams, and she's called Mbatha. Actually, it was a South African movie. I've remembered. So I don't know if you're from South Africa. There is that new movie on Telegram. Sorry, on Telegram on Netflix. It's called the Polygamist, something like that. So that's where I saw that name. Okay, so Anna Mbatha means twin. Oh, okay. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Good to have you, my darling. Always so good to see you around. Good to see you around. Let's go. Thank you, video track. All right, so definitely tune in every day. That is at 3 p.m. Canadian time, and you will definitely catch up on beautiful tips, beautiful experiences, and we shall always be waiting for you. Okay. All right.
Hey, Samantha, your mother tell me about that boy the way I talk to you. I want you to leave that boy there alone. You hear me say? Don't play with me. Don't make me hear you have none. You understand me? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Samantha J. Yeah. Red one, we ready. If I need it, you go and get it for me. You my lover, you my other, you my hobby. Oh yeah, you already know love how you hold me. You hold me, love how you hold me. I swear to God, I know this is the real thing. You give me such a wonderful feeling. I mean, you got me higher than the ceiling. Feeling. Oh, what a feeling. Yeah, oh, yeah, oh. It can't get no better. Yeah, oh, yeah, oh. Once we stick together,
What's
the
the
only
name?
thing I'm thinking of. In the morning when I'm waking up. People wanna tell me that I'm crazy. Oh, you know you'll always be my baby love. Say all that trust, live out to love. You know you'll always be my baby love. I'm thinking of. We ain't worried even though we got some haters. We just
Okay.
falling like the Lakers. It's okay, we know that they will never break us. Break us.
Let us take it for 3 items. Yeah. What's the only thing I'm thinking of? In the morning when I'm waking up. You know that I'm crazy. Be my baby love. You know okay. How you do that? I do that. I love that. The only thing I'm thinking of. In the morning when I'm waking up. You wanna tell me that I'm crazy. Although you'll always be my baby love. The one thing I can't get enough. Oh dear, dear.
In the morning when I'm waking up. You wanna tell me that I'm crazy. Oh, you know you'll always be my baby love. See all that trust, give out to love. You know you'll always be my baby love. I'm thinking of.
Okay, let's have a second list over here.
When they touched up, the girl broke down. In a late night, me and her locked up. She found her to the side and the shotgun. In my dark glass, I feel like when I can't cry and weep. You know, see the boss of feet that being she said. My man, he had the jack, so I come say no, say. We go be at the
Lirio, 5 items. Let's go.
so she became my and see it. Can't believe that. Can't believe that. Can't believe that. We found me, my God. She wanna rich nigga, not a broke one. She a boss too. She get her own money.
Okay. Remember, we are taking it for 5 items. Let us get ready for the second one. Excuse me.
Away from me, my God. Can't believe that. Can't believe that. Taking girl away from me, my God. Know the whole place I talk about you from New York. Not give her this box and I'm a straight jeans pants. I'm up. All of the blacks boys say coming up in a regular youth. We are give her the time and plus she say me well cute. And you can't believe that. Can't believe that. Taking girl away from me, my God. Can't believe that. I can't believe that. Taking girl away from me, my God. Y'all can give me like a hands up. Give me like a hands up. Give me hands up. Give me hands up. Give me hands up. Y'all can give me like a hands up. Give me like a hands up. Give me hands up. Show me love, girl, free your mind. Give me like a wine and I'ma make you mine. Yeah, pretty girl, I'll make you mine. I know you didn't coming on, that's why you really shy. Baby girl, come feel your mind. Many love to give, I wanna hold you tight. Baby girl, I hold you tight. I wanna squeeze, wanna tease, wanna please, baby girl, I want it one more time.
Okay. We keep it going. A third attempt is in.
Can't believe that. Taking girl away from me, my God.
Okay. The fourth attempt.
You were looking at me like you wanted to stay. When I saw you yesterday, I'm not wasting your time, I'm not playing no game. I see ya. Who knows the secret tomorrow will hold? We don't really
Okay.
need to know.
One more to go.
You're here with me now, I don't want you to go. Maybe we're perfect strangers. Maybe it's not forever. Maybe the night no changes. Maybe we'll stay together. Maybe we'll walk away. Maybe we'll realize we're only human. Maybe we don't need no reason. Maybe we're perfect strangers. Maybe it's not forever. Maybe the night no changes. Maybe we don't need no reason why. No one but you got me feeling this way. There's so much we can't explain. Maybe we're helping each other
Okay.
escape.
Mhm.
I'm with you. Who knows the secret tomorrow will hold?
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Whenever you are trading,
You're here with me now, I don't want you to go. You're here with me now, I don't want you to go. Maybe we're perfect strangers. Maybe it's not forever.
okay, so congratulations. That is for Lerio.
Maybe we'll realize we're only human. Maybe we don't need no reason. Maybe we're perfect strangers. Maybe it's not forever. Maybe the light won't change us. Maybe we'll stay together. Maybe we'll walk away. Maybe we'll realize we're only human. Maybe we don't need no reason why.
Come on, come on. Okay, Ethereum wallet over there. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I did not know, but today looks like time is running so fast. Okay, guys, once again, I have people who sent in their donations, but with no names included. The reason as to why I'm telling you to check in with me, it's because I want to avoid someone coming here and saying that I sent in my donation a month ago and you have not traded for me. I cannot just trade that money and no I have nowhere to send to the profits in case we have closed in a plus, all right? So please, it's a humble request. Come through on Telegram, tell me, give me a confirmation that you actually sent in a donation, and I will trade for you. I do not like things of someone coming in after a month and they are complaining, they are very tough and all that. You've never traded for me. I don't know what's happening, this, that, and people start saying a lot of things, right? So please come through, talk to me, and let me know that you sent in your money. I always laugh so much and I respect so much the people who send in their money for the donations. And definitely, I want to work on you there and then. And we call it a beautiful time, all right? Because definitely you are also there waiting for your profits. So why not? All along. Up and down. Missing me. Make it three. Oh,
Started out to come to think it was only last week that I had a dream about us. Oh, so I'm here, I'm writing this song. To tell the truth, you know, I've been hurting all along. Somewhere let me know you are me, girl. Every time you see me, what do you see? I feel like I'm a part and another green. Oh, baby, you're the only thing that I really need. Baby, that's why. If you wanna call you in the middle of the night, if you wanna hold you to the
Nathi Zitha. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're doing great. Hope you're doing great. Hope you're doing great. Good to have you. Good to have you join in. Surrender my soul. I'm tired of being trapped. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Are we still moving? Oh dear. Not good at all, not good at all, not good at all. Just on our third attempt and we get kicked out. Perfect deep sleep, Holly, my dear. Some entries are just slapping me in the face. But thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Florence. Thank you so much. Okay. That is for Emmanuel. Let's go. Thing on my mind. Surrender my soul. Surrender my soul. Surrender my soul. You make me wanna hold you to the morning light. Surrender my soul. Okay. And we'll be up now. Guys, we should make sure that we look out for those beautiful candles. Candle formation, very, very important, right? Okay. Angel, hello. Somebody loves you. Okay. Video track has come through. Come through. Oh, really? It's from Kenya. Actually, I don't know why, but whenever I play it, my mind goes to South Africa. Most of the times when I play it, my mind runs to South Africa. And as we all know, definitely that is a COVID song. So the fact that we were so much at home, actually, I like this song so much, just that I failed to learn the words. But the beat, I love it. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so Kenyans, how are you doing? How are you doing? Hope you are doing okay. Thank you for the beautiful music over here. Somebody loves you. Okay.
Asante nakosa usingizi usiku kucha minajua. Asenja kilini moyoni bado we wanisusua. When are you coming home, Senje? Tell me are you on your way? Kipe tukipendana, Kiromeo na Julia. Asenja nakosa usingizi usiku kucha minajua. Asenja kilini moyoni bado we wanisusua. When are you coming home, Senje? Tell me are you on your way? Kipe tukipendana, Kiromeo na Julia. I Senje Mane,
Senje, hello, hello, hello. Somebody loves you. Hello, hello, hello.
change your mind and come back home. Somebody loves you. Even in my heart, I see you're not being true to me. Deep within my soul, I feel nothing's like it used to be. Sometimes I wish I could turn back time.
Alexander, hi Alexander, how you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for joining, and I've missed you. Hope you've been okay. Hope you've been okay. That is the brain plug. Hi, how you doing? Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Ooh. Okay, my first time here. Good to have you. Thank you for joining. And please do not hesitate to hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh dear. Son, my brother, how you doing? Anyways, why am I asking how you're doing yet you are sad? So sorry about that. My apologies. So sorry about that. With our brother over there, trading did not go well. So sorry about that. But those days are there, those days happen. Hang in there. Today has not been okay, but some other time it will be amazing. All right? Just take heart, keep strong, and keep focused. All right? Thank you. Thank you, the brain plug. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm seeing just me. Hi, just me. How are you? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you join in. Okay, I see you. You are passing through. Where are you going? Yes, I'm doing amazing. I'm doing amazing. I'm doing great. Get better, get better. Definitely things keep getting better, but we face those challenges, son, alright? So sorry about that. It makes you feel bad, it drains you, like you get a lot of thoughts about it, but pull yourself together. And thank you so much, Perfect Deep Sleep Polly. Thank you so much for that good message to our brother son. Aram, hi Aram. How you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Just me. Okay. You're making me feel amazing. Okay. Alright. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So that is the first next with our last attempt. By the way that she moves, dancing like nobody watching. She was moving like no one was watching. Okay, are we good? Okay. Okay. Just waiting patiently. Okay, so over there, as we can see, okay, guys, thank you so much. The list is still long with the donations, but we are going to end with this participant of ours, right? And congratulations, guys. Today has been a beautiful day, a day full of happiness, full of joy, full of profits, and for definitely we have made a few losses here and there, but we shall get there, right? Okay, so guys, that is it for today. Love you guys so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Do not miss tomorrow's session. Come through on time. I was watching.